Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to use the Microsoft Power Apps. And if you are beginners, means suppose if you are planning to start your career in the Microsoft Dynamics Power Apps. So this tutorial is basically for beginners. Means in this tutorial you can I will show you the navigation. Means what is the purpose of the navigation and how to use the Microsoft Dynamics CRM or the Power Apps, how to customize your Power Apps. So let's start. So you can see here in the panels, means in the navigation, so there are lots of features are available in the navigation. So feature means if I check here, means you can see in the left navigation we have a home, create, run, apps, tables, flow, solution, and more. Okay, and more, if you I'm going to more, so there's option for flows, chatbots, AI hub, solution, cards, choices, connection, and data flows. So basically this you can access this one is make dot type your browser just like a make.powdersc.com, and if you type there, so this make.powders will be open in your browser, and you can navigate your, suppose if you currently I am on the sales trial version, so if you have a different environment, so you can navigate or you can change it. And this one is the home icons, means you can see all this home buttons just like if you have a different apps. So currently I have a portal management, customer service, sales trial, and you can see this all the apps in your navigation, and you can start. There is some beginning means learning material, so if you want to if you go through this learning material, so it will help, definitely it will help you. And here, so you can, this one is the create option, means you can create a different apps just like a blank app. So you can create a Dataverse app, you can create a SharePoint apps and Excel apps. You can create an app with the SQL, image, and Figma. So I will share details about these apps, how to create a blank app, how to create a Dataverse app, and how to create an Excel app. So in this next third step is learn. So Microsoft provided you some learning materials, means if you want to customize a Canvas app in Power Apps, so you need to learn these tutorials. So you can find anything, means every tutorials over there related to Microsoft Power Apps. I already told you the apps. This one is the tables. Tables previously it was entity, so now Microsoft changed it, now it's table. So you can see all the out of the box tables over there, means out of the box page is already created, so we don't if you have a custom table, suppose if you want to create a custom table, so we can create from the here a new table. You can see these flows. Suppose if you have different flows, flow is basically a workflow means automate your environments, means automate your process. So you can see there are different tables solutions. So I will share it with you, means in next tutorials, how to create a solution and how to create a cards, how to customize the tables, how to make a flows. So everything will be defined in the next tutorials. So here suppose I will show you a base account, and if you open the account table, so you can see all the columns and the forms and the relations and the keys and the charge and the type code and the business rules and the command message. So everything will be there, so you can easily customize or easily changes from the. Okay, so in next video I will show you how to create a table, how to create fields, how to create a solutions. Thank you.